In this video, we will discuss Honeywell's 5000 series pressure switches and walk through the key considerations for adjusting the contact setting for optimal performance. The 5000 series pressure switches are designed to provide reliable pressure control across a wide range of applications. When looking at the datasheet, the contact setting PSI range indicates that these switches can be adjusted anywhere within that range, regardless of the factory set PSI value. There are two ways to manually adjust the pressure setting. Top adjustment method. At the top of the cone-shaped end, opposite the threaded base, there is a small rubber boot or cap that can be removed. Underneath, you'll find an Allen screw. Turning this screw clockwise will tighten and decrease the pressure setting, while turning it counterclockwise will loosen and increase the pressure setting. For dual circuit models, there will be two adjustment screws, one for each circuit. Connector end adjustment method. On models with a Packard connector end, there is a screw inside the connector housing. This screw can also be turned clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the pressure as desired. It is important to make adjustments carefully and verify settings against your application requirements to ensure proper operation. Let's see how to locate the datasheet. Go to Honeywell IA support portal. In the search window, type keywords like adjust pressure. A list of related knowledge articles will be displayed. Identify the resource article in the list. Open the resource article. Go to the File section. Download the .pdf file. Thank you for watching.